loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be DIYing both of the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Body Lavas. When the Beach Please collection first came out and I saw swatches of the Body Lavas, I thought they were stunning. But that price, not as cute. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get that glow for a lot cheaper. I'm going to DIY the shade Brown Sugar first. It is a deep bronzy shade that looks beautiful on deeper skin tones. When I was looking for packaging for my DIYs, I decided that I wanted a clear container with a pump, so I picked up 2 of these personal care shower and bath gels from the 99-cent store for $1 each. I'm going to go ahead and remove the labels and wash them out, and I'll be right back. I'm going to be using the Equate After Sun Soothing Gel with Aloe as the base. I picked it up from Walmart for $3.48. I still recommend that you use an actual sunscreen, but I chose to go with this because aloe is very soothing and moisturizing on the skin, and it will also dry down completely, so the pigments that you use will not transfer. I picked up the LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in the shade Radiant, which is a really pretty bronze, from Dollar Tree for only $1. Now I'm adding in the Wet n Wild ColorIcon Loose Pigment in the shade Gold Pigment, and this was $5 from Walmart. Lastly, I'm going to add in the Nyc Sparkle Eye Dust in the shade Smoky Topaz, and I picked this up from the 99-cent store for $1. Smoky Topaz is a deep pink, purple, bronzy type of color. It's so pretty. Now I'm thoroughly mixing all of the different pigments together, and I'm just using a dotting tool. It's usually used for nail art, but you can obviously use anything that you have on hand. You just want to make sure that all of the colors are thoroughly blended. I'm going to fill my bottle halfway with the aloe gel. I think that's a pretty good starting point. And then if need be, after I include the pigments, I will go back and I will add some more to it. To make it easier and less messy for me to add my pigments to my aloe gel, I'll be using a funnel. They have funnels at Dollar Tree as well as the 99-cent store for $1. Now I'm going to screw on the pump and make sure that I shake it up really well so it has a nice even color. Here's the end result. It looks absolutely beautiful in the container. It's so shimmery. I decided to add the rest of the Wet n Wild Gold Pigment and NYC Smoky Topaz Pigment just to increase the opacity when I applied it to my skin. Now I'm going to swatch my Brown Sugar DIY. Look at that, it's so luminous. When I rubbed it into my skin, it had a nice even color, very opaque. That's exactly what I wanted. The formula, it was not sticky, it dried down completely and it did not transfer. Who Needs Clothes has a peachy golden tone with flecks of rose gold glitter. I think this shade will look beautiful on all skin tones. I'm starting off with another LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow, this time in the shade Honeysuckle, which is a really pretty light peachy toned pigment, and this was $1 from Dollar Tree. Now I'm adding in the LA Colors Shimmering Loose Pigment in the shade Sunshine, which is a really pretty yellow gold. I'm also going to add the NYC Sparkle Eye Dust in the shade Golden Champagne. And again, this was $1 from the 99-cent store. I I purchased this by Nanda loose eyeshadow rose gold glitter in the shade J03 off of the Cute app for $3. Time to swatch my Who Needs Clothes Body Lava inspired DIY. This one came out gorgeous as well, and I love the extra sparkle from the rose gold glitter. I also have two cheaper alternatives to the brush that Rihanna released with her Body Lavas. The first brush I have to show you, loves, is the E.L.F. Angled Contouring Kabuki brush that I picked up from Walmart for $6. This brush is the most similar to the one that Rihanna created, given its dense angled design. The next brush is by Essential Tools. It is their Beauty on the Go Travel Kabuki brush, and I picked it up from the 99-cent store for $1. This brush has a domed shape, and it's a lot denser than the E.L.F. brush, and the bristles are so soft. Here are my completed Body Lava DIYs. All of the products will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!